tonight I'm making marinated chicken strips. Got some chicken breasts. I bought these from Aldi's, and they're really huge. You want to get the fat off and any of this extra kind of stuff. You can keep all that, and you can make a soup with it later, or a stock. I like to get this chunk out right here. This is a very sharp knife. It's one of the Henkels I've got. It's a 5-star. And then we want to just slice right through the center. Like that. Butterfly it. And we'll go ahead and just cut that in half. It's still a little thick. These are meaty. So you want to go another. I'm going to try to get that very sharp knife. Just sort of center that. Yeah. I'm making these for myself, so or for other, yeah. Get a lot of chicken strip out of this. So basically, we cut along or against the grain. The grain's running like this because we want these to just flake apart. And we'll just put them in this bowl and cut this one in half. And I'm using the Lee & Perrins Marinade Garlic and Herb. All natural, it says. I don't want to set that on the cutting board really, and I'm not using that hand. I'll just pour some in there. I'm also using a little bit of this McCormick's Grill Mates. It's the Maple Smokehouse. I kind of like it. It's got a little spiciness to it. I'll just throw some of that in there. And throw some basil in there too. So what I'm going to do is cut up the rest of these breasts and chicken breasts and marinate them for overnight. And I think we'll be doing this in the wok tomorrow. So, I mean, I've never seen a chicken breast this big. This thing's huge. My God. Must have, like, I don't know, it says no hormones or anything like that on there. It says born, raised, and fed in the United States. It's Kirkwood Farms or something. In the Illinois processing area. So I'm hungry right now, so I'm gonna do this up in the skillet. We gotta like butterfly this one too. Look at all that. Man. Just get all of this extra stuff off of here. Especially this thing right here. It's where the backbone goes through. Or what is it? It's like the center. I forget. I used to take these chickens apart all the time when I was a butcher a long time ago. That's what I did when I was in high school. I know how to debone a whole chicken. It is good to know. Actually, I thought I was going to do that as my job for the rest of my life back then. Whoa. I'm going to get this a little bit up now. Okay. So here we go. I'm going to slide this through the center. My God, that thing's huge. Man. There's one. And I think we'll keep it at this thickness. It'd be pretty good chicken steak there, you know. Get that little part out of there. Well, that can be used to make a little bit of broth. I'm going to keep it, I think. Cool. Here we go. Okay, so pan is seasoned. Let me get this light on. We want to just let go. I'm going to put some of this Perrins marinade on. Some basil on there. This stuff, the McCormick's maple smoke seasoning. And definitely want to crack a pepper on there. Get that inside is searing pretty good. Let me take a look. We just want it on high to get something like that. Now we can flip it. And we're going to marinate the other side. So let that go. And we're going into the fridge to get something else to add on to this. I forgot that I had this. I think it's gonna be good. So that should be good. We can turn the heat down now to like medium for a slower cook. Just wanted to sear both sides. And I'm gonna add this. Add a little bacon in there. These are the thick slices. Just a couple pieces. Kind of like tearing it out of the package really quick. I gotta turn the fan on. And bacon will be like a seasoning sort of thing. There's a lot of fat on it. Oh well. Just let that go. Look at that temperature wise. We're almost to 120. Here we go. Let's cook that until it's good. Take a little peek in here, and it's still, you can still see that it needs to cook longer, so just slowly be patient. It's right near the end here. I'm just going to put a little bit of this lemon on here. Squeeze this right, just like you would fish or something. A little lemon flavor. These are squeezing really good. Cool. I'm going to take the other half and put that in the marinade I have going on. You definitely don't want to overcook your chicken. I cut this little area right here. We're getting closer. I think I'm going to flip it over again. We got a nice color on this. Bacon's going in here. Let that go to the end. And there you have it. Dinner. Okay, it's done. Let's see how that's flaking apart nicely. It wasn't too long after I shut the camera off. Just don't want to really overcook it too much. So yeah, that lemon in there really did the trick too. With the combo of everything, it tastes really good. Oh, the bacon. Awesome. Yeah, they just cleared out all these woods. Development's coming down from the north. They're taking over this area. They've also taken over across the street too, which is massive, 200 acres or something. But that used to be woods completely, and they just cut it all down. And this chicken came out great. Remember, what I used was the Perrins marinade for garlic and herb. They've got a couple different variations. I also put my own spices in there, like basil and some black pepper. And I used some lemon also in that, and let it sit overnight. This actually went for a day and a half marinating. And then I wok fried it up just now, and it tastes absolutely wonderful. So I got a different brie cheese. And let's like take a little slice off of here. And then over here, I'm cooking this roast for probably, oh my god, we're going on a long time. I just kicked all the bones off of it, And we've got the meat right here. This is like almost absolutely perfect. So I'm going to just take a little bit of that, and then I'm going to put it on top of the cracker. And that's what I'm eating. Let me test that out. My friends are moving a boat today, and I think they're probably hungry, so I'm taking out that stir-fried chicken, some of these thin little bread things, and some cheese. I'm gonna feed them. Catch this. This is good. I mean,
the hell is it?
They're chicken. It's chicken strips, wok fried, marinated for more than 24 hours.
Ah.
We're gonna do cheese.
Here's that 23
just
hours.
chicken burger.
Fuck yeah, buddy.
Oh yeah. Okay, cool. There you go.
Thanks, man.